For companies, the comfortable working environment is between 20 to 22 degrees. During periods of higher temperatures and close proximity to production equipment, these temperatures can exceed these thresholds, impacting the comfort of personnel. Much more than just a question of comfort, maintaining optimal thermal conditions within the working environment is essential to guarantee everyone's productivity, health, and well-being. Refreshing your production premises is therefore not an option, but rather a priority. There are alternative solutions to traditional air conditioning whose benefits are more economical and ecological solution. Two key benefits: the improvement of working conditions and air quality. With 100% fresh air, adiabatic air cooling makes it possible to maintain a comfortable level of humidity while improving the well-being of operators. Production optimization. By keeping products at the right temperature, refreshed ventilation avoids overvoltages and network interruptions while optimizing equipment maintenance. Adaptable on roofs, ceilings, or walls, EconoClim is the solution to help you meet the challenges of our time. NEU-JKF Delta NEU, by your side to improve the air quality of your industry.